design paper only you have to cover for 1 day, that is machine design. But if you are going for engineering services, you have to cover all the 12 subjects. 12 subjects होते हैं हमारे engineering services में, so you have to cover all the 12 subjects.
Which discipline you are from?
Mechanical.
Okay, so IES is conducted only in 4 disciplines: electronics, CS, civil and mechanical. If CSIT people are there, then there is no chance. They have to take electrical engineering or electronics communication. And this gate could serve as a first round, first step. Okay, sir is saying 50% syllabus is covered. So at least you would be able to prepare the 50% of the syllabus if you prepare for the gate. So what actually problem is with this local university, their faculty members are not up to the mark. So you are facing certain problems. In IES, almost all the subjects of BE are in the syllabus of IES. So if you are very good in all the subjects, right from the first year, even your electrical engineering questions, mechanical engineering drawings questions are also there. So the syllabus of IES is wider, but the syllabus of GATE is a subset of the syllabus of IES. Therefore, if you prepare for the GATE, it is win-win situation. Clear?
So this is the thing. और कोई क्वेश्चन है? देखिए आप लोगों के मन में एक डाउट और भी रहता होगा जो कि मेरे अंदर भी था, बिकॉज आई वाज बिलोंगिंग टू प्राइवेट इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज. आई वाज फ्रॉम मेडिकैप इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी इंदौर. सो यू आर माइट बी थिंकिंग दैट वेदर आई शुड प्रिपेयर फॉर दिस बिग नेम और व्हाट आर द कैपेबिलिटीज. तो मैं आपको बता दूं, एनीवन कैन डू एनीथिंग. अगर आप यू हैव डिसाइडेड एनीथिंग तो लग जाइए बस उसमें. You can definitely after one you may take one more year as compared to IIT or NIT student, but definitely you will qualify. मैं बता दूं आपको, 2 साल अगर आपने अच्छे से मेहनत करा तो definitely you will get good rank. मैं सिलेक्शन की बात नहीं कहता हूँ, definitely you will get good rank in engineering services, in GATE, and definitely you will qualify so many public sector. You will have choice that what public sector you have to join, whether you should join GATE for doing MTech or you should join NTPC or BHEL or whether you should join engineering services. आपकी एक कंडीशन ये हो जाएगी. अगर आपने एक लेवल अचीव कर लिया, आपने हार्ड वर्क के थ्रू एक लेवल अचीव कर लिया, तो मैं बता रहा हूँ 2 साल के बाद मैंने इतने सारे ऐसे कैंडिडेट देखे हैं जिनके पास 4-4, 5-5 पब्लिक सेक्टर की चॉइस होती है कि किसी का BHEL में भी हो गया, NTPC में भी हो गया, बार में भी हो गया. सो व्हाट ही शुड ज्वाइन, और अगले साल देखा कि उसका इंजीनियरिंग सर्विसेज में भी हो गया. सो इफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग वेल इन प्लान्ड वे, डेफिनेटली यू विल गेट सेलेक्टेड, irrespective of from what college you are belonging to, or what is your past experience. You are not well in English, left out all these things. English मैटर नहीं करती. मैं आपको बता दूं, गवर्नमेंट और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का आप इंटरव्यू देने जाएंगे, कभी वो आपको इंसिस्ट नहीं कर सकते कि यू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश. कोई जरूरी नहीं. अभी नोटिफिकेशन भी आया यूपीएससी का, मैं आपको बताऊं कि सपोज you belong to the Manipur or you belong to the Bengal, so you don't know Hindi or English. So you have to give your interview. You can give your interview in Bengali or Manipuri. So some converter will be there. UPSC will provide some converter to convert your Manipuri into English. So this is the facility. This is the kind of facility you are providing. So don't worry about English, because in MP lot of students are facing the problem of English. So there is no problem of English in government organization. This is from my side. If you are
ओरिएंटल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी से ऑटोमोबाइल ब्रांच में हूँ. तो मैं सर आप लोगों से पूछना चाहता हूँ कि ऑटोमोबाइल में क्या गेट और IES में कुछ स्कोप है कि नहीं?
आप देखिए, फॉर अप्लाइंग इंजीनियरिंग सर्विसेज यू शुड हैव डिग्री ऑफ बीटेक. अगर आपके पास बीटेक की डिग्री है ना, so suppose you have degree, you obtain your degree in mechanical and you want to apply for civil, you can apply. So you have degree of automobile, but you should have degree for BTech. BTech की अगर आपके पास डिग्री है तो आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर मैकेनिकल, यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर सिविल, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड इलेक्ट्रिकल, एनी स्ट्रीम यू कैन अप्लाई. गेट के लिए भी आप ऑटोमोबाइल से गेट होता हो, बहुत सारी इंटरडिसिप्लिनरी ब्रांच भी होती है, तो यू कैन अप्लाई.
ऑटोमोबाइल इज नॉट प्रेजेंटली इन द सिलेबस, बट ऑफ गेट डिसिप्लिन जो है 21 डिसिप्लिन आर देयर. यदि लेटेस्ट ऐड हो गया होगा तो यू कैन गो ऑन द वेबसाइट एंड यू कैन चेक, पर अभी नहीं है. तो उस केस में आप मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग के सब्जेक्ट्स लेके आप दे सकते हैं, और देयर इज अ ओवरलैपिंग ऑफ सर्टेन सब्जेक्ट। जो आपके ऑटोमोबाइल्स इंजीनियरिंग के जो सब्जेक्ट्स हैं तो कुछ ओवरलैपिंग है, तो हो सकता है आपको एक दो सब्जेक्ट ज्यादा पढ़ने पड़ जाए जो कि उधर नहीं है। तो और दूसरा भी गेट देते वक्त ये जरूरी नहीं है कि आप जिस डिसिप्लिन से बीई कर रहे हैं उसी डिसिप्लिन में दें। मैंने इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड कम्युनिकेशन में बीई किया है, आई एम एलिजिबल टू गिव I take discipline mechanical. I can take mechanical as my discipline, but I have to prepare the subjects for mechanical engineering. There is no point in wasting my time in mechanical engineering subject. तो आप पहले सिलेबस देख लें और आप देख लें कि आपकी ज्यादातर सब्जेक्ट इस वाले डिसिप्लिन में, उस वाले डिसिप्लिन को लेकर आप गेट दे सकते हैं। Any other question? हाँ, please. बोलिए।
So my question is, as we all know that here in Bhopal colleges, the companies that basically come over here are all service-based companies that are ITs level like TCS, Infosys. They are basically the software companies.
Okay.
So I am a student of EC, so I don't think any EC company come over here like Samsung, LG, basically the product-based companies. So sir, my question is, how can we go directly to those companies? Is GATE the only option?
See, like there are few companies. This is the problem. I agree with you, because in India most of the work is on software, and there is outsourcing. So the people who are working, who are good in the coding, those people get job in IT sector like Wipro or TCS and so on. But there are the companies which require especially the people in R&D. Okay. Like Vodafone or Google or AT&T, you might have heard AT&T, Bell Laboratories. So these are very big companies, but there they need the people who can contribute in research and development, R&D. And what is happening, they know that even in the IIT this problem is coming. For core job, companies are not coming and they are not giving very good packages. But if somebody is good in research and somebody has developed a very good project, or if he or she has done very good project, then you can apply off the campus. And the good places for applying off campus are Pune and Bangalore. There you can go and you can get certain trainings, like the training on embedded systems, training on VLSI, training on DSP processor, and CTech is also giving certain kinds of training to improve your employability, because you are not employable, because companies knows that whatever they require you don't know. So in that case, if you are so much desirous, so much interested to go in hardcore companies only, then you have to take little or some small duration training that may help you. And the best for you, it would be best that if you take admission in MTech and you do your MTech from IIT. That would be the best solution. Their company comes and there they take. Even this problem is in the IIT, but if you have a nicely good job and if your project is good, then definitely you will go into the Vodafone or Bell, and there the package would be, you won't imagine that, 30 lakhs and 40 lakhs.
Thank you, sir.
Hello,
So
sir. Sir, my question is, I am a student of RGPP and you are also a student of RGPP.
Okay.
As sir have told that don't think about the past and don't think about future, you must work in the present. So I want to ask, at the present level, to which much depth in our RGPP course we must go. Like the question is, to which depth we must go in our RGPP syllabus, so that it will be easier for us to appear for these exams.
Which year student you are?
Third year, sir.
Okay, so you are little late, but okay, anyway. See what I said, in the GATE only those subjects are there which are in your engineering. So if one wants to prepare for the GATE examination, he or she must start from the second year, because most of the subjects in the GATE are taken from second year and third year. So no problem. If you are in the third year, whatever subjects of GATE and third year are overlapping, you prepare for those this year. And when you get your summer vacations, those time, that time you can utilize for subjects of second year. There are hardly any subject for the final year. So if which discipline you are from?
Mechanical.
Mechanical. So आप